song say, when you turn back way, your body will clean. Or your body will shave and clean or something like that.
Jump Out TV production. Viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Vybz Kartel, Andy the teacher, Mr. Palmer, World Boss. Also, we want to talk about Foota hype, the viral king. Also, we want to talk about the small YouTuber, Sir P. Long live Sir P. People, Sir P was right. Sir P was right. People, remember when Sir P said Vybz Kartel do more for the Sprat community than J-Flags? Vybz Kartel do more for the ABC community than J-Flags. Vybz Kartel mess up dancehall. Vybz Kartel mash up dancehall. Vybz Kartel freaky up dancehall. Vybz Kartel shit up dancehall. Vybz Kartel always a push the bar when it come to dancehall. Always a push certain shaky narrative when it come to dancehall. And Sir P was right. That's why Sir P call him Vybz Diddy, Vybz Barabbas. Vybz Kartel no have no shame, no moral compass. Vybz Kartel will do anything when it come to money, fame, hype, and glory. Vybz Kartel no ram fi sell out dancehall and shake you up the youths them. And we see Foota hype a bona fire pan Vybz Kartel. Foota hype a bona fire pan the freaky, shaky lyrics them where Vybz Kartel a sing bout. Sir P been a bona fire. Sir P not dey on YouTube for months now. But the work where Sir P put in, been and live on. The things them where Sir P expose about Vybz Kartel been a live on and will forever live on. Sir P was right. Vybz Kartel inna the closet need to come out of the closet. Vybz Kartel low key shaky. The things them where Vybz Kartel a do. Vybz Kartel a say another song there. Viewers and subscribers, pleasure and pain. Vybz Kartel a say the girl body no nasty, the girl body no shit up, the girl body clean, the girl must turn round for the pleasure and the plane. Vybz Kartel been a say shaky things in a dancehall. Remember Ramping Shop when Vybz Kartel say, tell Spice say push it up in a your tribe? Pause. Vybz Kartel been assess some weirdo, freaky things and in Fanbase been make him a get away with it. Vybz Kartel in a one song say take fuck in a your bumbo girl. And we know say that are the back door. Cause in a Jamaica when they say your bumbo hole mean to say your body hole. Pause. Vybz Kartel a say take fuck in a your bumbo girl. Vybz Kartel been shaky. Vybz Kartel been a do some dirtiness in a song them. Been a get away with it. Vybz Kartel shaky and freaky up dancehall. Once again we say Sir P was right. Everybody we are watching video we are say like, comment, share, subscribe. Make me know which part in a Jamaica you're forward from. Which garrison, which ghetto, which parish, which part in a Canada, the Caribbean, United States, America, England, Europe, Africa. Make Jump Out TV know where you're forward pan, and everybody drop a comment. The comment section is free. Everybody like the like video, like the like button. The like button is free. Subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free for your straight, from you no lean, from your straight like a arrow. I don't know say Vybz Kartel freaky, Vybz Kartel low. This video is all allegedly and it's for entertainment purpose only. We are gonna cook right now. So people, Vybz Kartel drop a song where inna the song Vybz Kartel a tell the girl say our body hole clean. Saying our body hole no shit up, our body hole no nasty, and people that no make no sense inna the song. Cause you can't say, girl, your body good, girl, your body clean, girl, your hygiene level up, and we get that. We know say every part of you clean. You don't have to go explicit. You don't have to focus on no girl back door. You don't have to pre no back door. People, we see some Gaza fans are defend Vybz Kartel lyrics after Vybz Kartel I say the girl body clean. Them a say Vybz Kartel mean to say backshot the girl round they so clean. When it come to backshot, me no know how you pre the back door. As a matter of fact, people, the whole thing just shaky. The whole thing just weird. At the end of the day, if you as a man know the type of woman you deal with, and you are date a girl, and you know say she clean, she put herself together, seeing and you know the quality and the type of woman you deal with, certain things you don't have to worry about. Cause once you deal with certain type of woman, a woman will respect herself, a woman will have a career, a woman will know if to put herself together. You see say she always make sure her hair is done, her nails them proper, her teeth them clean, her mouth smell, she well dressed, she put herself together. You don't have to worry about that. A dirty, nasty thinking woman, I go to them level there. And if a woman and a man, I go sort out, and you just meet her, she I go make sure say she clean, she decent, she take a shower. And what type of woman that uno deal with, won't have to worry about them type of things there. Seeing, me now say certain things no can reach a man, but you take away yourself. But at the end of the day, if you put that in a music and a you name Vybz Kartel, any girl where I cut to Kartel, I go make sure say she go correct. Cause she know Kartel rich, Kartel a superstar, Kartel them well known. And what type of woman them mania I deal with, what type of woman I sleep with. And me see man out here a different Vybz Kartel. People, the things them when me want to say in other video, yeah, me not even can see so. Because it's shaky, it low. Me have to say why. Me have to say burn off that. Me have to say pause. Me have to say no Diddy. And a woman we are talk about. And a man we claim to say straight. I put them there in a song. A man out here a different Vybz Kartel. Bloggers like Gaza Uncle a different Vybz Kartel. Bloggers like One Kevin a different Vybz Kartel. TikToker like Prince a different Vybz Kartel. All if me rate a artist for him say things like that, me a burn him out. Me a say you go low. Me nah defend no man where I say nothing where shaky. And as some me know them youth here, a man them love. As some me know say, a man them love. Sir P was right. Sir P said the Gaza fans them are sheep. They are Gaza sheep. And sheep can't do nothing beside bungle up and make one bag of nice. Remember Vybz Kartel say people are like sheep. And a him a them shepherd. So anything him say, them a go do. How you fi say you is a straight man? And out here a different Vybz Kartel. People on the internet are different where Kartel I say. At the end of the day, why you are worried about the back door when at the front door you're supposed to focus on what type of woman you are going to deal with where you have to worry about them things there. See, and if the woman come at your house and you plan to start out, tell the woman to go take a shower then. Enough time even if she bathe before, tell her to go take a shower. All if she go use the bathroom, tell her to go bathe again. She come at your house and she come visit you and you want to do the do. Tell her, say, she the shower the babes. See a towel ya. Go and go clean up. Go and go freshen up. And if you deal with a decent woman, a woman will respect and love herself and understand personal hygiene, she a go make sure, say, she smell good and clean up and shave and make sure, say, everything put together and she smell good before she come at your yard. This have to do with the type of woman them we wanna deal with. Which woman a go one man yard, go sort out the man with a shit up body. That mean to say you need to run with a woman there. You're not even fear talk to woman lack of that. People, the whole argument just shaky. The whole argument just mess up. Vybz Kartel are 50 years old and if you see the type of lyrics them and the type of song where Vybz Kartel a do. For a man where they are prison for 13 years, what you did that do with your time, bro? You should have left from prison and touch road with some song for uplift the woman them, some song for uplift the youths them, some song for uplift Jamaican and uplift black people. But Vybz Kartel come from prison and look like he come out worse than how he going. The things them where Vybz Kartel a sing about, him take them to a different level. Vybz Kartel just a pretend say God is the greatest because he want people feel like saying change and he want people have sympathy upon him. But me tell you this, we are cook right now, like the video. Me I tell you this, at the same book, just a different page. Vybz Kartel will never change. Vybz Kartel morality gone. Vybz Kartel slap way like a garbage truck. Vybz Kartel will put anything out there for stay relevant and for people feel like say him are the best dancehall artist or in the on top of dancehall. We see enough artists reach them 40s and them 50s and change how them act, change how them behave. Vybz Kartel even have grandkids. We see Bunty change him lyrics them, Beanie Man change him lyrics, Capitan Sizzler. Enough artists reach 50s, late 40s and we can see their maturity. Vybz Kartel is still childish. People feel like say Vybz Kartel intelligent and him educated and him write the best song them. Vybz Kartel will write 100 song and probably 20 of them a good song. Always a throw shit on the wall and hope fee stick. Once more, Sir P is right. The things them where Vybz Kartel said. Remember Vybz Kartel now, when I'm a 33 year old now, I have a song called Virginity now. And I say, remember the 2 drop of blood pan your frack. Say your mother go beat you for that. 2 days run off, you come back, you turn big woman, you end up a big yard, ramping shop. No matter when do twist and turn, she turn big woman, she know how to take. Vybz Kartel said them thing there. Remember Vybz Kartel actually saying a song now. Inside of her feel like a teenager. Tell me if that no shaky. Tell me if that no some pedo. Tell me if Vybz Kartel as a big man supposed to sing about inside of a woman feel like a teenager. A Vybz Kartel always a sing song about young girl, school girl. Vybz Kartel been shaky. Vybz Kartel been a do some freaky things. Vybz Kartel first song come out of prison now. I talk about he have sex with people, mother, through the prison window. This brother now learn. I see some big man we have daughters, sisters out here a defend and support Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, enough man we say them a big man. Say them straight. I support Vybz Kartel with him shaky lyrics them. The same type of man them now. We beat Alkaline fi song Brata now. We beat Alkaline fi Batty Wash now. But at the same time them beat Alkaline and deal with Alkaline wicked. But when it come to Vybz Kartel it's different. Them people here have selective morality. When it come to Kartel, Kartel can't do nothing wrong. And we understand say enough of the Gaza fans them are sheep. Enough of the Gaza fans them duns. Enough of the Gaza fans, them not educated. That's why Kartel can continue to get away with certain things. A man will beat a case or not even beat the case, him get off of the case for technicality, you know. The same man them out here a defend a brother the way the whole heap of frigger, you know. A whole heap of time me go in the comment section and me hear people are say, Kartel, you dirt off my friend them, but it's only God and time. Me see enough comment section where people are beat him and people make it look like say Kartel decent and a good somebody. Sir P once more was right. Remember, say pictures out there now with Vybz Kartel allegedly now in the back door now, and people are say shorty now, Vybz Kartel now kicking shorty back door now allegedly now, and the photos them out there now, and me see Gaza man a defending and I say AI. Remember them photos they post on the website back in 2013. AI never out there to the public, and most certain people like officers, FBI, CIA, them top agency, they would have it. Civilian never have no AI or have no connection to AI in 2013. A movie, you see them thing the inner. A man out here defending say AI they use. Do that to Kartel. Viewers and subscribers, if you still watch, like, comment, share, subscribe. A brother even say, I know Kartel hood. People, one of the Gaza fans look on the hood and say, I know Kartel hood. Pause. No, Diddy. Why? Burn off that. How you know a Kartel hood as a Gaza fan? One of the Gaza fans, yo, look on the hood and say, I know Kartel hood. People, big man them now out here a defend shakiness. Man out here say Kartel wouldn't do stuff like that. Man out here put in reputation and in morals and himself on the line. Fi Kartel, say Kartel no into them thing there. How you fi know where a man a go on with in a bedroom? And if a man put it in a song and a do freakiness in a song, at that we are judge the artist offer. It's not like we hate the artist, but the artist a big man now. Need to stop the friggery. The artist no broke. The artist no hungry. The artist no need to do another song. The song them where the artists are do, and kids them shouldn't do them song there. See, but the artists out here are kicking back door and pictures out there, photos out there. Sir P been a call him Vybz Pratel. Enough people in a dancehall know say Vybz Kartel shaky, but because Vybz Kartel roll with the most bad man, and we do people things allegedly, and people afraid of him. That's why enough people now say nothing. But Vybz Kartel been freaky up and shaky up dancehall. Who no like when me say chuck off? Pause for the video ya. Why for the video ya? No Diddy. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you're straight. Violate the like button, violate the subscribe button. I'm out.